In 1999, Reagan had introduced amnesty program. So I was fortunate to work with a lawyer. He's called Afro-Mensah. He lives at Redco. He recruited me and I started working with him. That is the cocaine money.
Oh.
That is where I made the money. Reagan's amnesty time, I made a lot of money. And look, let me tell you, when people don't know your background and they think they are a drug dealer, it's so painful.
Hello, Abusafo. Medencha Bremunina, Nansembi Koso, our Ghana, me pese, me ma a comment on that. Said the amount for Africa, and sir, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, or Ton Coque some time ago, or you say, but people don't provide the evidence. That is what people are saying. Now, recently, Captain Smart in Swasma, can say, during President Kufuor era, any during Akufo time, Omuma. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong contracts Senka on deliver. First one air conditions. Second one air street lights. But nyadi wire anuntina amano akonyes kasano. Na say some years ago bibi was City FM. Nti samna kan enoninia mohei nti I just want you to watch it. Na hunu na yen clarify and maybe say say of our company so. You and I cannot prove it. You and I, we can't prove it. We can only prove what is provable. And in here, okay, all the names now, Obebuboy, say Obiwo means be obetimidi ayo no ankasa research. Now, or something contrary abadia. Fine, but for now, we will take him by his word. Say Omokro no on far combination and or the Jessica, or no ankasa na wabre and a one Jessica. Etino, umayentie kwaya. So na yamfa enye additional dia emaye ho. Me say obe subscribe to my channel na wa like video na wa share enso e dia mame. Na me say drop or comment na yentimi and build the baby together. Na ebetimi a hit on the notification bell na say me upload any new video bia obenya the alert no. Thank you for doing that.
America, I would say I still live there. In 1999, Reagan had introduced amnesty program. So I was fortunate to work with a lawyer. He's called Afro-Mensah. He lives at Redco. He recruited me and I started working with him. That is the cocaine money.
Oh.
That is where I made the money. Reagan's amnesty time, I made a lot of money. We did about 2,500 applications. And everybody paid 2,500.
Wow.
I was doing all the documentation, and my boss, because he's the lawyer, he will go and present the thing in court at the immigration.
Yeah.
So out of the 25, my boss will get 700, and I will get the rest and use some for documentation. So when we finished, I had made a lot of money. So in politics, it was my boss who introduced me to politics. Till date, none of my relatives is a politician. I think I stand alone, and I got involved, and here we are today.
Right.
So the credit goes to my boss, lawyer Afro-Mensah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Right. So coming back to do politics and all, how was it like 1992 and then to 96?
Let me tell you, I prefer to be a businessman more than politician, because as a businessman you get more respect than a politician. Because politician, anybody can attack you and those things. What happened was that the Reagan's amnesty, when Clinton also came, he introduced U.S. lottery.
Yeah.
But my office is not too far from here, Zaglo House.
Okay.
That was my office.
Just by the road.
Yeah, Zaglo House. When I was coming, I just go, that's the whole place. Zaglo House. So I introduced U.S. lottery.
Okay.
Into this country.
The first Ghanaian.
Yes.
Which year was this?
I think that was 1993, 94.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, the first one was 95. 95. The first US lottery was 95. Because I did it for my cousins. I just did it and they won.
Wow.
So I had to. And because we have done the amnesty program. I knew a lot about immigration. So I came down to fill the forms for them. My cousin and my brother, they won. I processed it for them. So through that, and look, let me tell you, when people don't know your background and they think they are a drug dealer, it's so painful. The second chance of my money, I'll tell you, when I came to Ghana and got my cousin and my brother's documents processed, then I got to know a lady over there. If I have 3 kids were there, you know, that lady, I asked her, if I bring more of this, can you process it for me? Because she could not do anything except to approve you for interview. There's no kululu. She can't do it. Americans, they are very careful. But to get the approval, even to be interviewed, was a problem. That's where she would deny you outright. The comment she makes, it makes it easier for the counselor or whoever interviewing you to say yes or no. That was her job. So I asked her a question. When I started chasing her, I asked her a question. So next time, if I bring more of this, can you process it? She said, yes, I can help you. So I went to America. That time, my boss was here. I was working with another boss, lawyer Fufie. I went there and told him, lawyer, I have connection in Ghana. So let's buy this. When I went back after processing my relatives' documents, I went back, and Ghanaians have won a lot of the US lottery, and they didn't know how to process it. So I told my boss, look, I have a connection, so let's do this. He was interested in the cash right there. Give me 200 and take it, or 500. So he will take 500, give whoever want 200, but I will buy it. So I bought 48,000. 48,000. That's about 96 applications, and brought it to Ghana. That is another cocaine.
Yeah.
You know, that time.
Now you know how to make money.
Yeah, that time I was charging $5,000 each.
95.
Yes.
Wait,
Yes.
is that how come you made your first $1 million?
Yes, I'm coming to that. Yes. Sometimes in life you have to take risk.
Yeah.
I took the risk. And in 1996, September 30th, that was the last day of the US lottery. They process it, then they will go home, come back, say from February, March to start until September. So after that program, I checked my account, what I've saved. I had $1,145,000 in my account.
How did you feel? How did you feel? You know,
I feel so good. I called my friends that helped me, and I was staying at Redco, the bungalow number A5, and I had always said to myself that I'm going to be a millionaire at the age of 40. I didn't know how I was going to make it, but I was working. And at age 36, September 30th, 1996, my account at Agreg Bank City House was $1,145,000.
Wow.
Even today, it's still very good money.
At the age of 36, you made your first million.
That was cash.
That was cash.
That was cash. I had done investment, but cash.
Cash.
1 million.
In your bank account.
Yes. 1,145,000. That was September 30th, 1996.
So it's easy to make money in Ghana.
It's not easy.
Okay.
It's not. Sometimes I have to say that I am blessed. I have to thank God for that. But the blessings from God, I also utilize it by working hard towards it. I always have my background at the back of my head here, where I was born and bred, what I've gone through in life, and make sure that I'm not going to fail. That is exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing so many things and I can't sleep. I have to sit here, but I think I have to stop. I'm trying to stop. But as I'm talking to you, listen, my forehead is burning. It's all because